Good morning, children. Today we are going to do a new exercise in grammar, chapter 7, using a, and the. First, we will read all ABCD. We will read the alphabet. Just look here at the alphabet. Okay, children. So, I have written over here capital A to Z. We will read that first. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now children, why we have read this A to Z alphabet, that also we'll see. Now we'll start with the exercise. A has been used before singular word. Before singular words, expressions beginning with a consonant or a non-vowel sound. Over here, A has been used before singular word. A we have used over here before singular word. And it is not a vowel. It begins with a consonant or a non-vowel. It is begins the sound with a non-vowel. Right? See example. A girl, A boy, A man. Now G for girl, B for boy, M for man. All these starting letters are what? Consonant. They are called consonant. They are non-vowel. They are non-vowel. So we start the words or expressions with A. Now we will go to A and N. A and N has been used before a singular vowel expressions beginning with a vowel sound. Now over here we will find out in A to Z capital alphabet where are the vowels. So first A, then E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. What are the vowels? A, E, I, O, and U. These are vowel sounds. So what is this said? A and N. हम A और N कभी यूज़ करते हैं. Has been used before a singular vowel. Expressions beginning with a vowel sound. For an example, an apple, an elephant, an orange. You can see over here, children. A is a vowel, E is a vowel, O is a vowel. So for that, what we have to use? A and N. A and N, A and N, because they begin with a vowel sound. They begin with a vowel sound. We can say an owl, O-W-L, owl, an honest man, or an honest boy, an R, an A and N, honest, H-O-N-E-S-T, honest, and A and N, your honest boy, and over here A and N, hour, H-O-U-R, hour, and R is pronunciation of O, H we cannot hear, it is silent, so it is an R. So did you follow, children? Over here again we will say A has been used before. A हम कभी यूज़ करते हैं जब कॉन्सोनेंट होता है, बिगिनिंग होता है कॉन्सोनेंट से, and it is a non-vowel. See like this way: G for girl, B for boy, M for man. Then what will you say? C for cup. Then G for gun, J for joker, K for kite. So over there, what will you use? You will use A. What will you use? A. What will you use? A, because it is a non-vowel sound. And A and N, when it is been used, when a vowel sound is there. When there is a vowel sound, A, E, I, O and U when there is a vowel sound. That time we use A and N. Now we'll go the next letter, that is word, that is the, when to use. Now article the, what is this? आर्टिकल ध इज़ यूज इन मैनी वेज, बहुत सारे तरीके में यूज़ होता है. इट इज़ यूज बिफोर ए नाउन विच डिस्क्राइब ए होल क्लास ऑफ पर्सन्स, विच डिस्क्राइब ए होल क्लास ऑफ पर्सन्स, प्लेस और थिंग्स. ध इज़ यूज इन मैनी वेज, ध जो है वो कई प्रकार में यूज़ होता है, राइट. एंड बिफोर ए नाउन, नाउन से पहले. डिस्क्राइब ए होल क्लास ऑफ पर्सन, क्या डिस्क्राइब करता है? पर्सन को डिस्क्राइब करता है, प्लेस एंड थिंग्स को. नाउ विल सी द एग्जाम्पल. द काउ इज़ ए डोमेस्टिक एनिमल. अभी यहाँ पे हमने क्या यूज़ किया? ध. नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल द काउस. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल द काउ. द काउ इज़ ए डोमेस्टिक एनिमल. We are talking about all the cows. So we are not specifying only one cow. We are talking about all the cow wherever it is a domestic animal. We are talking about all the cows. We should help the poor. Now over here again poor is there and I have used the. Why I have used the? क्यों मैंने यूज़ किया? Because we are talking about all the poor. मैं सिर्फ एक poor के बारे में नहीं बात कर रही हूँ. सब poor, wherever you see in the world or wherever you see near a house, it is that person is poor only. So it is the poor. The is used before the names of some. The is used before the name of some. Statues, buildings, places, musical instruments, famous books, rivers, mountain ranges, sea and oceans. ध हम किसके लिए यूज़ करते हैं? Your examples are given. We'll see that also. See, the Malhotras used to be our neighbors in Delhi. Over here it is what? The Malhotra. We are talking about the Malhotras. Now it is not necessary कि जो आपके जो neighbor थे वही मल्होत्रा है हो सकते हैं. There are many people, many persons having the same surname Malhotra. Many people have the same surnames of Malhotra. वो भी मल्होत्रा है, आपके जो neighbor थे वो भी मल्होत्रा है. So I've used the Malhotras. The Ayers adopted a cute dog last year. तो we use the to describe a group of people. Group of people को describe करने लिए हम the use करते हैं. Example, the staff, the crew, the young. Now we'll see the example. The Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty, the Ramayana, the Guitar, the Yamuna, the Pacific Ocean, the Qutub Minar, the Himalayas. Okay. यहाँ पे हमने क्या देखा है? ध किसके लिए यूज़ होता है? ध इज़ यूज बिफोर द नेम्स ऑफ some statues, buildings, places, famous books, rivers, mountain ranges, seas and ocean. So suppose example is, so we were talking about the article the is used in many ways, right? So it is used before a noun which describes a whole class of person, place or things. Example, the cow is a domestic animal. We should help the poor. The is used before the names of some statues, building, places, musical instruments, famous books, rivers, mountain ranges, seas and oceans. Example, the Statue of Liberty, the Ramayana, the Guitar, the Yamuna, the Pacific Ocean, the Qutub Minar, the Himalayas. So dear children, I hope you have understood the using of a and using of a and the in the exercise. A when we will use a when there is a consonant or a non-vowel. A word, singular word or expressions begins with a consonant or a non-vowel. A and N when we will use when before a singular vowel or expressions beginning with a vowel sound, that is A, E, I, O, U. And the when will you used, the is used to introduce a word that has been introduced. That time we have to use the. The Malhotras, the Ayers, the staff, the crew, the young. So, dear children, complete this exercise in your grammar notebook with neat and clean handwriting. Thank you.